Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. We're here on deck 18. This is the sweet sun deck known as the Grove. Check it out. Got lots of places to sit. Hot tubs. Lots of seating. Look at this. Of course, they got their own bar. Little place for snacks. Some eats. Yep. Got all kinds of yummies here. Lots of grab and go. And look at this. Got their own pool. Got their own swimming pool up here on the sweet sun deck. But wait, there's more. Like I said, there's more. Got one more deck up. Yeah. Nice overview. Deck 18. It's an MSC ship here, the Magnifica, and in the distance, Costa Maya. But look at this, lots of seating, and you got great views. Good views into the ship here. Got the swim and tonic over there. Swim up bar. Lime and coconut. Well, look at all this open seating here. This is great. It's so busy down there, but so nice and quiet up here. And I got this lady here. Looks like she's ready to dive. Where's she diving to? Where's she diving? All the way down there. That's quite the dive. But good view of the lime and coconut. There it is over there, right next to the swim and tonic. Come on, lady. Dive already. But plenty more seating up here. You can overlook some of these pools. Infinity pool right there on a cruise ship. Imagine being there overlooking the ocean. Over there in the distance, you can see the Carnival Dream. Now to look at the pools down there. The swim and tonic. A lime and coconut. The swim up bar. Great view of that from up here. And again, all this open seating. Let's take a look at the other side here. All right. You can take a peek into deck 18 of the sweet sun deck. Whew, it is a hot one out here. Yeah. Look at that. Plenty of place to lounge. I like this. I can get used to this. Yep, this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully, I'll get to see you On board soon. Have a great day.